So now we're going to get into the bird dog. And all we're going to do here, nice big hands and ensuring they are under the shoulders and getting those knees directly under the hips. And all you're going to do is do alternate arm to alternate leg under control. So before I actually execute the move, I'm going to slightly breathe in and tense my abs. So under control. What that stops happening is if we don't create that tension now, I'll show you what will sort of happen. You go over and you sort of twist and my hip will come out. So all we need to do, and I advise doing this one side at a time, is just get in that position, slightly breathe in, squeeze, relax, breathe out, breathe in. And there's the bird dog.